Saturday morning. Today morning.
Today morning.
I think we can develop because nobody wants to read so many things. In this age of
System which ministry going to host it, and fourth is on publication. I'm asking budget from the parliament. If they agree, then we will go forward. I will try taking Sanjay with me to the conference, 2 days conference. I hope you
Welcome on behalf of Gandhi University. We are very pleased to have Madam Alpana Dubey, Deputy Chief of Mission, Embassy of India, with us. We would like to welcome Madam here to joining us this ceremony. I request Dr. Manu, please welcome Madam.
Photo of Gandhi is really myself. Oh, that's amazing.
Please,
Thank you very much.
My name is Sanjay Kumar. I am the Assistant Director of Gandhi Institute, Ranchi University. We are very fortunate to have with us Srimati Alpana Dubey, Deputy Chief of Mission, Embassy of India, Bangkok. Then we have our guest of honor, Dr. Harshad Mehta ji. He is a philanthropist, one of the top diamond merchant, well-known personality. He supports the Ekal Vidyalaya movement in Thailand as well as worldwide. So, promoter of One Teacher One School. So, welcome Harshad ji. Then we have Sri K. Agarwal ji with us, President of International West Federation, well-known philanthropist, almost 40 years in Bangkok. 40 years in Bangkok, and very good friend of Gandhi Institute. Then we have Sri Satish ji, always participate in our activities. So the purpose of this discussion today, that trusteeship, how this trusteeship model of Mahatma Gandhi could lead to a social justice environment. So we will have some small brief discussion on this topic. What I understand trusteeship means that sharing the resources for the benefit of the poor people. So what Mahatma Gandhi envisioned to provide justice for all, it means that to fill up the gap of rich and poor and extend. So we thought that this topic could be discussed a little bit with a larger group of people. Of course, limited because of the COVID, we can't have a big gathering.
Our guest, chief guest, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome you to the 4th anniversary of Gandhi Institute, and also to 152nd anniversary of the birth of Mahatma Gandhi, who we respect so much. The Gandhi Institute has been established 4 years ago, and has been as a condition when I was interviewed by the president of Ranchi University, who would like to have me. Our aim after finalizing this architectural plan, the financial plan, and then fundraising internationally, and what we do. And we'll teach and broadcast every single day. Gandhi Institute, as planned, it has 3 objectives. The first one is to serve as a think tank.
Good afternoon. All of you came here to celebrate 4th Gandhi Jayanti celebration. We once again applaud Mr. Manav because he is the one instrumental to do this. Please acknowledge him. what a thought he is about Gandhi and what a condition he put. And if you Google today and go for the quotation of Gandhi, first they say there are 10 important quotations, then say there are 25, then there are 250, 250, then go to thousands. So there are so many things Gandhiji has described that this can be a part of your life, way of living. So this is what, it's not like 4 or 3 or 2 issue, whatever you come across, just understand.
Thank you very much for honoring me so much. Actually, I am very delighted and I give my respect to Madam Dubey and the Dean of the Tennessee University for organizing this program, Mr. Dr. Mano. And I only say I am very, very thrilled to address such an important occasion on the 152 birth anniversary of Lord Gandhiji. Gandhiji was a very great thinker, and he was, like pure. So purity is the force and preaching is the essence. So his one thing was there, that be the man you want to see in others. So that means you first apply on yourself and then you preach. So he never used to preach anything which he never used to practice.
Both of them have a Mukhi Yajman at the Ganesh Puja this year, and they have not only taken care of all the rituals since beginning until end. So we are very much thankful on behalf of Tennessee University that this year Ganesha blessed both of you to be part of these rituals, including Sthapana Puja, Seva activities, and also the Visarjan Puja at the Chopaya River. So this is something both of you have a great honor to participate in the Mukhi Yajman, the Ganesh festival.
Actually, last night I got a call from Dr. Mano that I should be coming here today, right? Even though I received a message from Sanjay ji that say to attend this meeting today. I didn't know that I was supposed to be speaking, so I'm not prepared at all. What I can say is that, that when you talk about trustee, I can give you an example in Thailand, because I am living in Thailand, so I'll just give you the prospect of how people work as a trustee in Thailand. We have several associations in Thailand. For example, Hindu Samaj Economic Association, we also have trustee. The reason we have the trustee is that because if something goes really wrong with the association, then who's going to take the responsible? Who will be taking charge of that?
Our gentlemen and our speaker, what I understood is, we all are the trustee of the society, trustee of our family and the society. So we have to perform our duty as a trustee in a right way. If everybody is following this thing, I think our society will be a great society. So this thing we have to teach to our children also. What is the trusteeship and how we growing up to them, and this what we call in Hindi sanskar. So
this session late. I think Gandhiji's approach and the way he brought the change in India. I think today the world, you are seeing so much tension everywhere. Countries are fighting and there's so much violence. So I think the right time has come that many countries and the next generations they use the philosophy and the way Mr. Gandhi, the father of the nation, brought the change.
We misuse our resources like all this plastic and the water. We are going to have water problems and the climate change. So not only we have a responsibility money-wise, but even as far as our environment is concerned, we should have that. We are just trustee, and we have to be very, very careful of all the resources which we are using. There should not be any wasteful. And Gandhiji, he believed like the rural economy. which was opposed to Nehruji. He wanted like a village kind of economy, you know, very simple living, and everybody gets a job and dignity of the human people. So
Facing and I have faced these principles in my day-to-day life. So this is a very good learning for me. No doubt, so many principles are there, but whatever we have seen in the play, that has really had a good impact on me. Thank you very much.
Experience intellectual people, and I got a lot of things to learn today. And one thing that always I feel good about Mahatma Gandhi, first of all, he was a Mahatma. So I was telling him that Mahatma means he is such a big soul. What did he learn? So like he said, okay, by acting also he got to learn few things. And I learned one thing that I always follow also. It's a
regarding Mahatma, he used to say, be the change you want to see in the world. So everybody has to make some basic difference in their needs, like everybody is saying. Make a change which you want to see in the world. If you want to see the world a non-violent, be a non-violent, be a preacher of that. If you are trustee, just put your money, put your faith in organizations which believe in those principles and take them forward in achieving their goals. Thank you very much.
टीचर हूँ, हिंदी में बात करूँगी। सबसे पहले गांधी जी को श्रद्धांजलि दूंगी। गांधी जी इनके जो विचार हैं, इनके जो सिद्धांत हैं, हमारे जो ग्लोबल इंडियन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल है, उनका प्रिंसिपल, उनका जो विजन है, वो भी गांधी जी के ऊपर है कि गांधी जी के जो 5 सिद्धांत है, अहिंसा, सत्याग्रह, तो हम उसी को मानते हैं। अहिंसा हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है। Thank you very much. First of all, good morning, Sawadika to all of you, and I am really honored to be invited for this occasion of celebration of Gandhi Jayanti as 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So I am on behalf of the embassy, I would like to say that the theme of today's roundtable discussion, that is trusteeship, socio-economic development philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi, is just one aspect of Mahatma Gandhi's ideology and philosophy, as all of you have touched upon trusteeship in detail, and also other aspects of Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy, truth, non-violence, satyagraha, as we speak like us. I think in every aspect of life we see there is something on which Mahatma Gandhi has worked upon, touched upon during his entire life, leading the freedom movement of India in space. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. One thing I was reading something about Gandhi, so I got one statement that's very relevant today. It says that there is a little bit of Gandhi in all of us. I'm not saying 100%, 10%, 20%, 5%. The important thing is the spark of little bit has to be in the individuals to take it forward. So either you realize it or not, but I can assure you that there is a little bit of Gandhi in all of us as a human being in the form of kindness, being in the form of trusteeship, being in the form of caring our nation, our people, being in civil activities, being in education field. So we are somehow little bit connected. So we have to be very positive. We should always think about what we can get positive things from the people.
I'm very lucky. I'm blessed. I born on 15 August 1947. In second surprise, I have one son born on 2nd October.
Very nice. So, and all of you for coming for this small program. Small but is very relevant, very important. And in fact, in the evening, I'd like to make one announcement that we are having a very good discussion in the evening at 5:30. Where the great grandson of Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Anand Gokhani, is joining us. We had a small brief session yesterday with him, and we find him a very fantastic speaker. And all of you are requested to log in online on Zoom. It's all of are welcome to join, spread the news, share the link so others can also join. So this is our third event in the evening today. So we planned this whole thing like 3-4 days in advance, not too long actually. But finally, due to COVID, we are able to deliver something very quickly. So once again, I would like to thank everybody on behalf of Forensic University for coming to this nice campus. And special thanks to Madam. Thank you.